Okay, so next we kind of took another slice that we thought would be interesting, and it's kind of who are the new RIAs choosing as their custodian, right? So this is all going to be kind of focused on that sub 250 range, right? That's where most of these, not all of them, are going to fit. And I think this is kind of telling to show what are the priorities of those newer RIAs. You could kind of theoreticize that they're probably going to be a younger audience overall, a younger client for a lot of these firms. And what are they choosing? So we see Schwab, or if you kind of roll in TD, it's near like 60%. Just Schwab alone is 50%. So it's kind of a coin flip that every new RA that's being created, there's 50% chance or higher that they're actually going with Schwab. Then you see kind of TD here is definitely one of the top ones. As we mentioned,
Altruist.
that's kind of with Schwab, and then Altruist and Fidelity are other big ones as well.
Yeah, I think with this data here, again, as new RA spins up, usually it could come from a different channel. So this is, I mean, we're all human beings. If I've used Schwab, regardless if I'm a fan of Schwab or not a fan of Schwab or TD, when I start my new company, when I start my new RA, I'm probably going to choose them also due to where my clients live, their assets. It's a lot more difficult if I bring my book of business over to my new RA, or if I bring an advisor over, they have their family's assets in Schwab. It's just such an administrative tackle to say, okay, let's move over to a Fidelity. So it's almost easier just to kind of keep it there, flipping the switch, you move over to a new advisement.
Yeah, that's a good point. And I think, looking at this chart here, this could be a good like leading indicator of, who the big custodians are going to be, say 10 years from now. Because whomever is gaining market share with the newer RIAs, those are the ones who are going to be growing over the next, decade and beyond, and growing their asset count as well, of course. So this could be kind of an interesting leading indicator.